What up? J-Rock in the building, hailing from the Baltimore, Washington metro area. Today we're back with another unboxing. I have not one, but two Blackmagic design focus demand units. So, I'm not gonna bore y'all and unbox both. So, I'm gonna put this one to the side and we're gonna get the one cracked open. So, as you know, these things are really hard to find right now. But shout out to my connection for taking care of me. So, got the plastic wrap. Inside the box, we have the welcome card. We have stickers and a reminder that you can download DaVinci Resolve 17 for free. So, stickers. Open this up. Voila. In the box, we have the mounting bracket, similar design to the Zoom demand mount. Pretty tight. Hopefully it's not cross-threaded. It's pretty tight. So you have that. Okay. Show you how it opens up. Screw it back down. We have the USB-C cable that has the locking screws. Now, this is the focus demand, and wow, it feels smooth and tight. You should be able to pull focus pretty accurately with this. So, yeah, I think it goes in the box this way. All right. So we're gonna go to the studio and we're gonna set these bad boys up because I can't wait. There's nothing like the, come closer. It's nothing like the feel of opening new tools. The next video will be ASMR. I just want to make sure that this one has everything in the box. And it does. They look really nice. Machine quality. All right, J-Rock Event Stream Team. Be sure to like and subscribe. Follow the mission, man. All right, we out.